Hi, I found Conservatory Installations UK through Google. I had a look at their Facebook page, read through the reviews, they were really good. Contacted them through their contact page. Eddie phoned me the next day and got booked in within moments on the phone with him. He was great, super helpful. I had to have it done because it was too hot in here in the summer and too cold in the winter. We wanted to be able to use the room, and it was getting to 36.6 degrees and it was only like 18 outside. Hasn't gone above 24.4 today, and it's been quite warm. It's been 24, 25 today, so it's been really, really good proof of the fact the insulation is a great product. As you can see, really happy with it. We didn't really have a lot of glare because we had a tint on it already, but it was dirty above. Now you can't see any of that. Even, you know, when you wash it off, you still see the moss patches and stuff. The level of service, guys, amazing. Literally, Eddie phoned, he phoned me back. The lady from, I think it was Sarah, called. She made sure everything was okay with the payments. Then the guys phoned, said they were on their way, what time they were going to arrive. Then they phone you after it's been done, whilst the guys are still here, to make sure you're happy and how the guys were on the day. And then they send you a message the next day to say that the payment's been received, activate your warranty. Just really good company, to the fact that, you know, you can get some vouchers back if you do a video review, which I'm more than happy to do. Not just because of the vouchers you're going to get, but the fact that actually they're still a company that offer these things and they do things the right way, which is really unusual now. Especially people take your money, they do the job, yeah, thanks very much, and that's it. These guys are not like that. They go to another level of service. That it should be expected, but it's not anymore. But more than happy to recommend these guys. They've done a great job in super quick time as well. No inconvenience to me. Tidied up after themselves. Great round my dogs. Super careful with not letting them out. Just can't recommend them enough. Definitely book in with them.